Hi everyone, let's make granola bars today. Skip the corn syrup stacked store granola bars. These homemade granola bars are a healthy snack and breakfast item. Oats, seeds and just enough honey. Stay to the end for slicing and storage so your batch lasts all week. Let's start. Line your 8 by 8 baking dish with parchment paper and let it hang like a little paper tongue on one side. Why? Because future you deserves an easy lift out, not a wrestling match. In a big bowl, toss in 3 cups of rolled oats. To that add 1 cup of seeds and nuts. I have used sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, few bits of almonds. You can add any seed of your choice, any nut of your choice. Remember, the rule is simple, total of 1 cup. Otherwise you will end up with granola bricks, not bars. Add 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar if you want. Half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients. Drizzle in the glue of our operation. Honey, 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil, avocado oil. You can use chocolate chips. I didn't add it because my children don't like chocolate chips. Half tablespoon of vanilla. All these wet ingredients will act like a glue to bind your granola bar without adding too much sugar or corn syrup or any other kind of sweeteners. Mix everything thoroughly with a spatula. It's very important to mix everything properly. This is the part where every oat and seed must get dressed. Don't rush this part. Take your time, give them a good massage and a proper mix. Pour the mixture in the lined baking sheet. Now take the spatula and spread the mixture evenly in the pan. Make sure the corners are also filled up evenly. Not a single space is left behind. After spreading evenly with the spatula, grab a piece of parchment paper and press hard all around. Corners, edges, middle, press hard everywhere. Seriously, the harder you press now, the fewer tears you will shed later when you try to cut the bars. The benefit of using parchment paper to press the granola bar is that nothing gets stuck to your hands or fingers. With parchment paper, everything is just nice and clean and nothing sticks to your finger or parchment paper. Pressing is important so that the rolled oats, all the seeds and nuts become compact, and after baking, the granola bar won't crumble as much. The end result should look packed and compact like this. Alright, now preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. That's our magic number. Low and slow, so your oats toast, not roast. Think sunbathing, not sunburn. Now the baking dish goes into the oven 40 to 45 minutes. After about 25 minutes, give it a spin. Turn it around. We want golden edges all around, not just on one side. Here's where most people mess up. Patience test. After 45 minutes, when the top looks toasty, turn off the oven and let the pan rest in there for 10 minutes. It's like a little granola sauna session. After that, bring it out. Let it cool completely. Look at the brown top and run the fork. Hear the crunchy, crisp sound. So satisfying. While lining the baking sheet with the parchment paper, I talked about leaving a little lip hanging from the pan. This is what I was talking about. See how easier it is to lift it up, put it down and then slice it. The tray comes out all neat and clean. Now with a sharp knife, slice into thin bars or the size you and your family like. Or break them into jagged chunks if you are feeling rebellious. Store them in an airtight plastic container just outside on the kitchen countertop. You don't need to put it in the refrigerator. That's my weekly granola ritual. Easy, crunchy and guilt-free. Store them airtight, but let's be honest, they'll disappear in under a week. Mine always do. You can snack them plain or crumble on top of yogurt with mix of any fruit you like. You can eat as breakfast parfait. Just take 2 or 3 tablespoons of yogurt, homemade yogurt or store-bought yogurt. Drizzle a little bit of honey, but honey is optional. There's enough sweetener in the granola bar itself. Take a piece of granola, crumble it on top of your yogurt. Top it with your choice of fruits. Today I'm adding strawberries. You can mix any fruit you like blueberries, bananas, mangoes, and here is your perfect bowl of morning breakfast ready. Guilt-free, fiber-packed, and best of all, you know exactly what's in them. Try it, tweak it, and let me know your favorite nut and seed combo. Until next time, thanks for watching.